When the day is long and the night is yours alone. 'Cause everybody hurts. Take comfort in your...
Hey there, budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And a big shout out to my vocal alter ego, Baritone Barry, who brought you that vocal cover at the start of this video. Anyway, I'm on a 5-minute promise, so let's get started with the lesson. Right, the chords to the verse are a D and a G. And you may notice my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. That's because I'm a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns will be upside down, but don't let that worry you. Just watch the chord patterns over there and you can follow along. Okay, so I've started the song on a capo on 3. That just sort of suits my voice. So we'll play the D chord, and the song starts with that beautiful arpeggio picking, which is based on 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, or the D string, D, G, B, E, B, G. And you just repeat back between the D and the G, picking those strings. D, G, B, E, B, G. And to help you practice the song, don't forget to download the free song sheet, link in the description below. Got the chords, got the lyrics, everything you need to learn how to play this song. Okay, the chorus is pretty easy too. E minor, and then an open A chord. And when you're transitioning from the verse to the chorus, I do it with the G bar chord. I go down to the G flat to the E minor. Everybody, A, E minor, take comfort in your friends, and so on like that. Pretty simple chorus. Now we're going to transition to that awesome bridge, and this is where the song gets really, really powerful. So the chords to the bridge are an F sharp, B minor, open C, open G, and then an A minor. And then it goes back to the verse, D and G. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Okay, I'm going to show you the strum to the song now. Of course, the intro was that arpeggio picking, the 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm playing a D chord at the moment. Now the basic or the foundational strum to this song is a down, down, down block. So it's a 1, 2, 3 block, and I'm emphasizing a down strum and I'm muting the strings, typically with the soft part of my hand here, with my strumming hand. So once we move past the foundational strum, we throw in a couple more down downs at the end. And then the final strum is, you're just going to mix in some up strums, and I'll demo that for you right now. When the days and nights are long. So just have fun with those up strums, and what I say with strumming is you strum with your ears, not with your eyes. So whilst I've got the strumming patterns on the screen below, what you've got to do is close your eyes and you know the song in your head and just strum what feels right to you, okay? So let's move to the outro of the song, where basically you're going to finish with some guitar noodling around the D chord and the G chord. And I'll show you it now. Trying to replicate that mandolin sound. So all I'm doing there is some variants on the D chord, hammer-ons, Now, if you want to see the full version, check out Baritone Barry's full song cover. I'll leave a link below and possibly a card up there. And hey folks, it looks like YouTube is recommending that you will enjoy these videos too. So click on them now and I'll see you next week.